Itong nakikita mo ay ang kayang kitain ng isang staycation unit owner. Mamaya, malalaman mo kung paano ka matutulungan ng video na to para masimulan mo ang staycation business mo without spending hundreds of thousands of pesos. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mas mura to sa bagong iPhone. Hi, ako pala si Daryl. May tanong ako sa'yo. Matagal mo na bang gusto magkaroon ng sariling paupahan pero namamahalan ka sa down payment? O kaya naman feel mo hindi sapat ang iyong kaalaman para simulan nito? O kaya naman ikaw yung mga gusto mag-invest sa real estate kaso natatakot ka baka hindi mo consistently kaya bayaran yung property mo? Kung nakaka-relate ka dito, then para sa'yo tong video na to. Dahil mamaya, malalaman mo kung paano mo masisimulan ang rental property mo that generates up to 40,000 pesos per month without spending thousands of pesos. Okay ba sa'yo yun? Let's go. Bago ko sabihin sa'yo yun, uunahan na kita. Hindi lahat qualified dito sa promo namin. Pili lang din ang pwede namin bigyan. Mamaya, malalaman mo kung bakit. Pero bago yon, ito yung sasabihin ko na pwede mangyari sa'yo. Ito si Jane Garcia. Sabi niya, "Thank you. Kahit nasa Pakistan ako ay may umuupa ng unit ko. Hindi ko na kailangan problemahin yung monthly amortization ko." Ito naman si John Del Rivera. "Not only I have secured my investment, I'm also earning 20,000 to 40,000 extra dahil sa staycation ko." At ito naman si Daryl Dizon. Sabi niya, "Nagsimula ako sa isang studio unit. After 3 years, 6 na ang property ko. The best part is wala akong nilalabas na pera, tumutubo pa ako." So, paano nila nagawa yan? Bago ko sabihin ang lahat, papakilala muna ulit ako. Again, I'm Daryl, Sales Director of JGMC Realty. Together, we have helped thousands of clients since 2018 to reach their investment goals, including na rin ako. So, paano ba namin ito nagawa? As you already know, investing in real estate requires hundreds of thousands of pesos para masimulan since most developers ask 10% to 15% down payment para magamit mo ang property mo. This is the biggest roadblock or gatekeeping sa mga tao na gusto mag-invest sa real estate. This is where we come in. The best property you can start with. If nagsisimula ka pa lang or you want to build your own rental empire, you need something na mura but at the same time mabilis paupahan. Introducing Urban Deca Homes by 8990 Holdings. 8990 Holdings is the leading mass housing developer in the country and has multiple ready for occupancy units within and around the metro. So para matulungan ka sa financial dreams mo, the developer decided to give this away in a very special price. We are currently giving away special promos to our clients who would qualify under Pag-ibig Financing and Bank Financing. So, sa mga tao na makakwalify sa promo won't have to settle 15% and not even 10%. We are only giving it away for 10,000 pesos all-in na po yan under Pag-ibig Financing and 25,000 all-in down payment under BDO Financing. Now, before you assume na hindi ka makakwalify, we strongly suggest that you book a consultation with us first dahil baka pwede ka namin matulungan. So what's it gonna be? Would you prefer a new iPhone? Or we can use that fund instead para masimulan ang sariling staycation mo para makickstart ang financial dreams mo. If gusto mo to, then click the link below and book a consultation with us to know if para sa'yo ba ito. Hope to talk with you soon.